gratitude.
Shh. Not me. That.
Mike.
Lady. Go ahead. That water's going in that bottle.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna make that water go in that bottle. There.
You suck at explaining.
Yeah, I don't explain. You just have to know what I do. Picture's worth 1,000 words.
If you know what words to use.
No, oh. Go outside. Wait on that. No, we're gonna do this first. Then we'll do that. Okay?
I was just seeing if it's actually gonna work.
It will. I know. I've done it. We can videotape that too.
I seriously hope this works.
Yeah, I do too.
Attempt 4.
I think
What?
a little more than 3 minutes.
I noticed. The thing was almost exactly horizontal.
No, it is right there in that dot right there.
Oh.
Minute left.
Thought you put it on 4.
No. Minute and a half of work on my microwave. Probably too well.
Yeah. Is it steamy? I think it's getting steamy.
I think this is pretty cool. Get her to that time for her to watch.
Measuring cups. No, we don't.
Hey, Mike, I want you to start your shit. This is about done.
It smells like popcorn.
Honestly, I'm just trying to
Get mine.
get
Oh,
ready.
Missy.
So-
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding!
No, it's more like 3, 2, 1.
Okay, guys. Move.
Dial's off.
Alright, Missy. Mike, watch. Hey, Missy. Here goes. Fucking hit.
Attempt 4. Success.
Is it supposed to go up there?
Yes.